To maintain your PlayStation account security, it's important to remove old devices that you no longer use. Follow these simple steps to manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Make sure you use the account that you want to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the Account Settings menu. On your console, this can typically be found under Settings and then Account Management. If using the website, look for the Account Settings section. Step 3. Locate Device Management. Find the section labeled Device Management or Security Settings. This area will show you a list of devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Review linked devices. Carefully review the list of devices. Identify any old or unused devices that you want to remove from your account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to unlink it from your account. Confirm the action if necessary to ensure the device is successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your PlayStation account by removing old devices. Regularly checking your device settings can help protect your account from unauthorized access.